What's up, guys? Today I'm testing the 15 to 45 on the Canon M50, and the last video I did I had the stability on enhanced, but this time I'm trying it just on enabled because it really looked bad before. So I want to see if it actually looks better with less stability. So right now it's looking pretty decent from what I'm seeing. I've got this thing on a tripod extended out and I'm walking downstairs, so this is like a pretty extreme test. So what do you guys think about the stability on the 15 to 45 with the stability on enabled but not on enhanced? Is that better than the enhanced stability? That video I've got more of a test of the autofocus and stuff like that. I don't really need to redo that on this one. I'm sure it works about the same. But yeah, that's the 15 to 45 with a tripod extension, walking around with the image stability on. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a filmmaker, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.